Time for a quick storm update. It's another night with some pretty intense bands of snow. Snowfall rates 1 to 3 inches per hour for some communities this evening. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for clicking on to tonight's Weather Extra. We'll be in some of these heavy bands over the next several hours. Here's satellite radar composite. Notice some of those darker shades of blue indicating some of the heavier bands. There is a back edge, though. Notice what's lurking not that far away down to southern New England. That back edge will be working up into our neighborhood probably around 8 o'clock or so. In the near term, we're still dealing with some pretty heavy snowfall at times. Look at that darker shade of blue right in there. That's probably 1 to 3 inches per hour. And this is ever so slowly shifting off to the north. Let's get down to York County. You can see that moving through the Saco-Biddeford area, back into the Hollis, Waterboro region perhaps. About ready to move into Portland. I'm recording this a little after 4:30. Notice mid-coast Maine, you're seeing some moderate snowfall right now. Heading up to Lewiston, Auburn area, it's light to moderate for you with lighter amounts the farther north you go. In fact, let's take a look at that visibility. Down to a quarter mile in Portland and Sanford and Freiburg right now. That means heavy snowfall, and that will remain the case for the next few hours. Okay, this is storm number 1. This guy's going to be gone by probably around 10 o'clock or so. By the time you wake up tomorrow, we should have at least some filtered sun. There's another weak disturbance way out in here. You can sort of see it right in there. That will intensify, and another weak area of low pressure will develop along that tomorrow. So this one will be weaker, but more rain and snow appears to be in the cards late on Wednesday. We'll have thickening clouds on Wednesday, 6 o'clock. Notice temperatures just too warm to support snow at the coastline. Inland areas, you're probably going to get another 1 to 3 inches, I should say, during the afternoon and evening tomorrow. We're still dealing with some intense bands of snow, 6, 7, 8 o'clock, but that should be scooting on out of here by about 11 o'clock or so. We're actually seeing partial clearing around midnight. Filtered sun by 7 a.m. tomorrow with thickening clouds, and here comes some of that rain and snow that will develop during the late day hours tomorrow. So it may make for a slippery evening commute tomorrow over the interior. Thursday, a well-deserved nice day appears to be in the cards with highs in the 30s and 40s. Our next round of rain appears to arrive on Friday. There could be some freezing rain over the interior, especially during the morning. We're going to have to watch that. Most towns and areas in white, about 4 to 7 inches of snow. There already are areas up near 6, 7 inches over southern New Hampshire. So there could be a few spots around 8 inches of snow there. But I think most towns get about 4 to 8 from the greater Portland area back to Sebago Lake up to Lewiston. 3 to 6 from Augusta to Waterville, back through the Oxford Hills. 2 to 4 from Rangeley, Carrabassett Valley, Farmington, with a dusting to 2 up near the Canadian border. On to the next one. Again, a coating to an inch is possible late on Wednesday at the coastline. I think it's mostly rain there, though. You head inland not that far from Lewiston through Augusta, west side of Sebago Lake. Most communities should get an additional 1 to 3 inches tomorrow. There's that 7-day forecast. Thursday's your day if you want to get out. I know a lot of folks have the week off. At least the kids have the week off. Skiing and snowboarding sounds great that day, lower 40s. So rain moves in on Friday. The main concern that day will be at least the potential for some freezing rain over inland Maine and more so back in the mountains. Saturday looks okay. There could be some snow showers late on Sunday. That's the way things look. Again, I'm recording this a little after 4:30, quarter 5 or so. And I'll have more updates on CBS 13 live at 5, live at 5:30, and CBS 13 at 11. Okay, also Fox 23 at 10. We'll see you then. Have a nice night.